In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood hinges on this Ford F-150. These are going to be located at the base of your hood. Let's get into it. You're going to need to use a hood prop or have an assistant hold the hood up so the hood doesn't fall. Now we're going to take the hood strut off. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get behind the clip, pull the clip out, pull that off. And just set that aside. And you want to mark where the hinge was on the hood. I'm just going to use a marker. You might want to clean up the area. Wipe it down with a rag. Just so we'll put that back in the same location. That's good. I'm going to take some rags and just go underneath the hood. We're not going to take the hood off completely, but just to prevent any scratching or any damage on any other components, we'll just put some rags underneath there. That's good like that. Now we can take these bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. With the hinge up, you can see in here there's 2 more screws. We're going to take those out as well. You can mark where that part of the hinge is on the body as well. Just use a marker. Just so it's in the same location. For the back one, if you need to, use a 10mm ratchet wrench. Might help a little bit. Pull that bolt out. Front one's a little easier to access. Take that out. Grab the hinge, slide it forward, and there it is. Now I take the hinge, line this up. The bolts, get those started. Get that close, just snug enough so that it doesn't move too much. Just so you can make an adjustment if you need to. Alright, that's good. That's good. Now I'll get the hinge lined up with the hood. You're gonna have to lift the hood slightly, just be careful. Again, it would be advised to have an assistant with you to hold the hood while you do this. Tighten those down. Now connect the hood strut. Get that lined up, lock it in place. And you can take the hood prop rod off. You can do the same on the other side. And remove the rags. And when you're ready to close the hood, just go nice and slow. Just make sure the fender lines up with the hood. Nothing's too tight. Make any adjustments that you need to. and close the hood.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.